Welcome to my Solo Ad Tactics Quick Win Edition. Solo Ad Tactics is a set of 3 unconventional tactics that helped me to turn years of frustration and solo ad failures into a breakthrough moment. In less than 30 days, I transitioned into a top-performing affiliate using these exact same tactics. Through my journey, I've realized that success with solo ads is nearly impossible without these tactics. When you explore my story, you'll understand why they are so essential. Plus, these tactics are incredibly easy to apply. In fact, you can implement them the very same day upon learning them. These simple tactics are the same exact ones that have generated over $250,000 in the last 12 months, all thanks to solo ads. If you've ever tried solo ads and felt defeated by poor results, you are not alone. I too was on the brink of giving up. No matter how much effort I put in, nothing seemed to work. I felt like a failure, spending money on expensive solo ad campaigns, only to get useless leads and meager affiliate commissions. Looking back, it's clear where I went wrong. Like most people, I relied on conventional wisdom. I used popular solo ad platforms, picked vendors with high ratings, and hoped for the best. Unfortunately, this hope and pray strategy led to consistent disappointment. At my wit's end and determined to find a solution, I took a leap of faith and I joined an exclusive mastermind led by one of the top solo ad experts in the industry. Though the investment was quite significant, it quickly proved to be a real game changer in my journey. This program offered a rare glimpse into the inner workings of solo ad vendors. As I delved deeper, everything started falling into place. I began to uncover the critical mistakes I had been making and, most importantly, how to correct them effectively. With this newfound clarity, I crafted a set of 3 transformative tactics that turned my solo ad results around entirely. These straightforward yet powerful techniques breathed new life into my campaigns, producing outcomes I had only dreamed of before. After refining my funnel with these 3 tactics, I launched a new solo ad campaign. Excitement mixed with anxiety as I waited for the traffic to come in. And then it happened. The results started rolling in, and they were beyond anything I'd experienced before. My opt-in rates skyrocketed, affiliate commissions poured in, and for the first time, I felt like I'd cracked the code to solo ad success. I've distilled my journey into a practical, no-fluff guide that reveals the 3 tactics that changed everything for me. Now here's a glimpse of what you'll find. Secret tactic number 1, the opt-in page breakthrough. I'll unveil the opt-in page formula that consistently achieves a 70% plus conversion rate, and occasionally does hit an astonishing 90% after testing it over 150,000 clicks. Learn the underlying psychology that makes this design so effective and why traditional opt-in pages often fail to deliver results. Secret tactic number 2, high converting front-end offers. Discover the most lucrative front-end offers that solo ad leads actually engage with and why conventional affiliate offers rarely work. This tactic is your shortcut to reaching the profit zone faster than ever before. Secret tactic number 3, the solo ad email formula. Master the single email style that resonates with solo ad leads, and learn how to harness AI tools to craft high-converting email sequences in seconds. With this strategy, you'll unlock long-term monetization potential from every lead you generate. These 3 tactics are the cornerstone of my success, and I believe it's impossible to achieve profitability with solo ads without them. In fact, they're so powerful that I've continually refined and improved them over time, making them even more effective today. For those who take action right now during this video presentation, I've got exclusive, time-sensitive bonuses that you're not going to want to miss out on. To make this even more valuable, I'm including 5 exclusive Power Play bonuses. Power Play bonus number 1, the anti-promo tab formula. Boost your email delivery rates and ensure your messages land in the primary inbox instead of the promotions tab, all while maintaining a strong sales pitch. Now, this has a $3,000 value. I mean, this is exactly what others actually paid to get just this one strategy. Power Play bonus number 2, the profit boosting bridge page. Learn how to create a simple yet effective bridge page that dramatically increases conversions, giving you a competitive edge. And this has a $77 value. Power Play bonus number 3, my top 3 solo ad vendors. Get access to my go-to solo ad vendors who consistently deliver high-quality leads with buying potential. Now, this has a $177 value. Power Play bonus number 4, why traditional click trackers fail. Discover why using tools like ClickMagick or Clicker can lead to disastrous decisions, and learn a next-level tracking method that guarantees better results. This is a $167 value. And Power Play bonus number 5, 99 of the most powerful email subject lines. 99 of the most irresistible fear of loss email subject lines to drive action and skyrocket your Make Money at Home campaigns. Now, this has a $97 value. Now, this is your opportunity to turn things around. This $77 package, plus over $3,500 in bonuses, could be yours for just $17, but only if you act now. That's right, you're getting a massive 78% discount on a powerful report and bonus package valued at over $3,500, designed to deliver real results. But this deal is temporary, and once it's gone, you'll have to pay the full $77 to access the same game-changing strategies. Don't risk missing out. For just $17, less than the cost of a quick meal, you'll instantly unlock proven techniques to level up your results. Imagine knowing you could have grabbed it at this unbeatable price, but waited too long. It's simple. Act now, save $60, and start implementing these tactics immediately. Or wait and watch this opportunity disappear. Grab it now before it's gone. The choice is yours, but remember, deals like this don't last forever. Click down below and start seeing solo ad success. Okay? Okay.